When the cold season arrives and grass stops growing, we recommend thoroughly cleaning your machine and storing it indoors. For goat, fully charge the battery. Clean the machine following the standard cleaning procedure. Install the LiDAR protection cover. For the charging station, disassemble the station and properly store all components, including the fastening anchors. Record the location of the charging station so it can be easily returned to the exact same spot for future use. Store in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated environment. 4 RTK reference station. To maximize battery life during cold months, disassemble and store indoors. Remove the power cable fixing screw and disconnect the cable, then turn off the station. Remove all cable clips. Loosen the mounting screws to detach the station from the support pole. Disassemble the support poles. Store all components in a cool, dry indoor location.